Hello, I'm Shruti from Test Collab, and in this video, I'll show you how you can reuse your test cases among multiple projects. As testers, we often have this problem that when we are working with multiple projects, there are some test cases which are being used again and again. And but what we usually do is we just copy and paste those test cases into new project. And whenever there's a new change, we have to like waste all our time and effort in updating those test cases again and again, which is not very productive. So that is why we have created a feature called reusable suits. So I'll show you how this works. As you can see, I'm in a project called Project A, and I have this suit called billing. So now imagine that now my team has started working on a project called Project B, and I want all these test cases in that project. So we'll go here, Project B, click on reusable suits, and we'll select the project from which we want to link these test cases. We'll select the suit as billing, and we'll click on link suit. Okay, so now it says action completed. We'll go back to our test cases page. So as you can see in our project B, all the test cases from the billing suite of project A are now available here. You can see this. So any new test cases which are added in billing suite in project A will be automatically added here. Any changes which are made in project A for this suite will be updated. So let me show you an example of how we can edit it. Let's go to project A, and we'll change the priority of this test case from normal to high. Okay, so this is our test case, which is normal priority, and I'll change it to high. As you can see, the priority has changed. So this feature is very useful. It can save you a lot of time and a lot of money too, because you don't have to spend that much time in writing the same test cases again and again. And it will help you in faster release cycles. I highly recommend this feature to all my customers. And if you have any questions, please feel free to email us on support@testcollab.com. Bye.